Hello student, how are you all? I hope all of you doing very well. So now today I am here. I am going to discuss with you numerical based on Newton's law of motion. I have already uploaded a single video based on problem based on pulley string, block string, right? So now I am going to tell you problem based on incline plane, right? Problem based on what? Basically inclined plane. Problem based on inclined plane, right? So this is a problem based on inclined plane. So it's a very common scenario of the questions usually came in the examination. So now I am not going to take any numerical which already came in the examinations. I am going to consider concept which is based on problem based on concept on inclined plane. So students, just take, I am going to consider an inclined plane which is inclined plane. Above the inclined plane, a block has a mass m which is resisting, right? And this is what angle theta, which is inclined plane make an angle theta with the what horizontal, right? So m is the what mass of the block. So what is the what you have to find acceleration, find acceleration of the block if block is moving down, if block is moving down, right? So just I'm going to so this is the direction which is blocks coming down. So देखो यहाँ पे mean what is important for you कि how to make a ABD of what block M की ABD कैसे होगी. So be stay here, watch a complete video. If you are new on the channel, kindly subscribe the video, right? M is the what mass of the block, and you can say this is what mg. If you subscribe the video, you can get a latest update of the questions which I'll update day to day, right, at the demand of the student. This is m is the mass of the block. This is theta, this is 90 minus theta, right? This is theta, this is 90 minus theta, this is remains theta, this is remains theta. Student, I am going to repeat, this is a more confusing point by the student as I got the message by the student. This is theta, this is 90 minus theta, this is theta, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, this is what remains theta. So now mg is a what gravitational force, as I yesterday uploaded the video component how to take a component of the anything. mg is the force is making angle theta. So जिसके साथ theta form कर रहा है, as I told you yesterday, this is what mg cos theta, mg cos theta, right? This is along component, so it becomes mg cos theta. जिनके साथ theta form कर रहा है वो क्या होगा, basically mg cos theta. And another component which is perpendicular to mg, this is what you can say perpendicular component of the mg. This is mg of sin theta. This is mg of sin theta. This is along component which is known as mg cos theta. This is what mg sin theta, right? Blocks is coming down, right? So yesterday, student, not yesterday, I uploaded a video on Newton's law of motion problem based on a block with the string. There I already told कि if you just justify, student, you have to justify block in which direction is moving. Block is moving in this direction, so this is a greater force. You can use the Newton's law of motion second equation, summation of f net which is equals to ma, summation of f net which is equals to ma. So what is f net? mg sin theta is responsible to carry on block in downward direction. So you can say, student, this is what mg of sin theta which is equal equals to ma. M is the mass of the block and a is the acceleration of the system. So m gets cancel each other. So student, you can say a is equals to what? Basically g sin theta. So student, you can remember this is a very beneficial result already came in the JE 1978 or 77. I'm not sure what is the exact year. Acceleration basically g sin, already you can use the result. If I'm going to tell some example, so take a video, take a screenshot or pause the video, you have the option. I'm going to move problem based on a same concept, right? So I hope you have already taken the video screenshot. So now I'm going to tell a student some questions. So what is the question? Same problem based on inclined plane. This is the inclined plane on which 5 kg mass staying above the inclined plane and angle is what? This is what? Basically 37 degree, right? So same way how to make solve this question. So now I'm going to solve this question step by step. So student, this is what? Basically step number 1. What is given in the questions? You have to, this is what? Step number 1. You can use the principle given. So mass of the block which is 5 kilogram and angle is what? Inclination angle with the horizontal. So you can say theta which is equals to student 37 degree. Now you can use the result directly, acceleration g sin theta, or you can usually follow the step by the ABD. So now I am going to use the ABD process. This is step number 2. So first I will make ABD of 5 kg. As usually we have to know, this is what? Gravitational force mg acting in downward direction which is equals to 5g. This is theta, this is remains theta, this is what? This is 90 minus theta means what? This is theta, this is 90 minus theta, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, and this is remains theta which is equals to what? Theta is what, student? This is 37 degree, right? So you can take component, this is 5g cos 37, जिनके साथ एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा वो क्या होगा? cos. So g I'm here considering g is equals to 10 meter per second square, right? So 5 into 10 and cos 37 as I have already told you, this is 4 upon 5. You can take watch the component vectors video. 5 cancel, this is what? Basically you can say 40, and this is what? Basically 5g student sin 37. So this is 5 into 10 into 3 upon 5 gets cancelled. This is what? 30, right? So you can use the result summation of f net which is equals to ma, and acceleration you have to find the block. If block is coming down, this is the question basically, find acceleration of the 5 kg block. If blocks is coming down, acceleration find 5 kg block. If blocks is coming down, summation of f net which is equals to ma, because mg sin theta is responsible to carry on the block, carry on block in downward direction. So we can say this is what? 5g sin theta which is equals to 5a. 5 gets cancelled. As I told you earlier, student, you can use the result a is equals to g sin theta, or you can use approach by the process, right, by the ABD method. So a is equals to g of sin theta. G is what? I'm going to here consider 10 meter per second square. It's a easy calculations to solve the question. So this is 10 into sin 37. This is what? Sin 37 which is equals to 3 upon 5. So this is what? 3 upon 5. 5 to 13. So A is equals to, this is 6 meter per second square. Student, this is the question which is based on the Newton's law of motion. I told you and I try to convey the concept as well as numerical, which is based on the problem based on kinematics sorry, problem based on inclined plane. I discussed you numerical section as well as theoretical part, how you can use the result A is equals to G sin theta. So now enough for today. Meeting you soon in the next video. Bye bye.